This is the Rode VideoMic Go 2. It costs $100 and it is absolutely awesome. Rode are an Australian-based company that specializes in microphones and audio accessories. If you've ever been on the market for a better microphone than your camera's internal one, then you've probably heard of them. This microphone is a mini shotgun design with a super cardioid pickup pattern. For those of you that don't know what that means, I've done a whole audio for video series where I explain how to get the best audio for your videos, and all the most common pickup patterns are also highlighted. I'll link one of the videos right here if you want a little more understanding. But in a nutshell, this is a very directional microphone, meaning that its pickup pattern is concentrated in front of the mic and right behind it. Now, of course, at this price point, this is not going to be the best shotgun microphone on the market. However, where Rode have really multiplied its value are with additional features that set it apart from the rest of the microphones in this segment. The VideoMic Go has always been designed to be a run-and-gun type microphone, so that is mounted on the top of your DSLR or mirrorless camera for stuff like vlogs or quick headshots. What's cool is that this mic doesn't require any batteries for external power. It's purely plug and play. On one of the sides of the VideoMic Go 2, you'll see a USB-C port, and this is where this mic seriously blows everything else out of the water. So basically, you can use this mic with your smartphone or with your iPad through that USB-C port. Now, of course, that is not something new. But where Rode take this a step further is with the fact that the mic can be connected to your computer and used as an audio interface. The mic is recognized as an input device on your computer, but also as an output device, which works through this 3.5mm jack on the side of the microphone. This means that you can basically monitor your own audio as you record through this mic, which is not very common in this segment as an all-in-one package. With the help of the Rode Central app, you can get access to additional features like a pad function, input gain control, 2 high-pass filter settings to eliminate some of those low-end ambient sounds, a high-frequency boost setting, which is mostly useful with the windshield, and direct volume control of your monitored audio. All this makes it a very compelling choice for studio work like podcasts. What's also pretty cool is that you can actually mix your computer's internal audio and your VideoMic Go 2 audio, which is perfect for stuff like voiceovers and tutorial videos. Now, as mentioned before, this is a super cardioid microphone, which means it's very directional. In terms of how it actually sounds, well, this entire video is being recorded on the VideoMic Go 2. I have it connected to my MacBook Pro via USB-C, and I'm recording this audio in Adobe Audition. All I've done prior to publishing the audio is done a couple of runs of single band compressor just to tone down some of those louder frequencies a little bit. I've also loudness normalized the audio to match ITU RBS 1770-3 at -23 LUFS, which is a broadcast loudness standard. Again, stuff like this is explained in more detail in my audio for video series that I highly recommend that you check out. This mic sounds surprisingly good, or rather better than the price tag would suggest. It is quite rich and natural sounding, and the internal noise is not the worst out there. It's really not bad. For what you're getting with this package as a whole, I think this is an absolute no-brainer simply because of all those additional features that you simply aren't going to get elsewhere in this class. I typically use mine as a vlog mic with my Fuji X-T4, and the audio quality is really good. And once in a while, when I need to do a voiceover, I will be using this mic too because I like the way it sounds. And overall, the ease of use is very much appreciated. It's pretty much plug and play, which really isn't the case with a lot of other microphones on the market. A complete thumbs up from me, and I'll probably be picking up another one of these very soon that I'll solely be using for voiceovers and tutorials. As a matter of fact, my most recent video dubbed Multicam Editing in Final Cut Pro was actually recorded using this microphone as well. So if you want to hear how the microphone performs in a studio podcast-like setup, then you should definitely check out that video too. I'll leave a link right up here. Thanks for watching, and hope that this video has been helpful to you. If you aren't already subscribed to the channel, then make sure that you do. It's absolutely free, guys, and make sure to hit that bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos. I'll catch you folks in the next one.